Hi everyone. Yesterday I've received a front-end technical assessment in which I have to complete or build a mini project of nodes pipeline builder using React and React Flow library. So initial the front end and back end was provided with me with a zip file. What I have to do is what are the steps that I have taken so far is this. So creating the reusable node abstraction, building 5 new nodes, applying the style to make it more appealing in nature, uh, dynamic text node logic, which is auto resize feature, and use variable path feature. I have also implemented it, and also using Python, backend was integrated as well. Okay, and dark detection was there. So if you are skeptical about dark detection, which means a digital acyclic graph, acyclic graph means it is going to look into what pipeline that I have built, and accordingly it going to detect that it is acyclic or cyclic in nature. If the last node is connected with the first node, then it is cyclic in nature, and if it is going in a same continuous manner, then it is acyclic. So it is going to give me some boolean value in return, and I'm going to implement it inside backend as well. So, before further ado, I'll start this project using npm start. So I'm going to start with this command, my front end project, and as well the backend part as well. And the backend part is going to uh, be triggered using this command of uvcon. Okay, so uvcon basically created a virtual environment for me, which is going to trigger and run on a particular server. So if I click on this particular line, it is going to serve me and watch on this particular port. Okay. So yeah, this is my backend project running up and running, and this is my front end part. So you can see now, look, the front end part is running on the local host 3000, and this is the dashboard UI which is related to the pipeline. I have also implemented some additional features like your dark theme and light theme as well, and also have taken the buttons or the nodes from this position to this area of our canvas, which looks like very appealing to the user as well. And if we click on this plus sign, it is going to collapse and expand. So yeah, I have also implemented this feature on the UI part as well. And also if we go into the main part, like create reusable node abstraction, uh, and I'll go into the folder structure what I've created so far. So there are some component space folder structure wise. I've implemented a component directory and also a context which is going to include a theme inside it, and also a custom hook of use themes. Okay, and there is a stand that has already been included in the uh, file, zip file as well. So I have not manipulated this file so far, and I created a submit handler which going to be triggered on clicking the submit button. So what is it will do, it will takes on the nodes and edges, and it going to do some fetch call, and regarding that I'm going to give a backend these nodes and edges, and in response to that the server is going to respond and give me some data, which is your number of nodes, number of edges, and the DAG is available or not. So it is going to give me a boolean value as well. So yeah, this part I have created separately using the submit handler pipeline. Okay, so I've created that. So my main entry file would be app.index.js, and inside that I've created this app file which include the React hot toast library as well, which is going to give me a notify message whenever I click on the submit button. And I also created a context which is a inbuilt feature of a React, and this theme provider was wrapped around whatever I've built so far in this project of mini project. And yes, this is the header part, this is the pipeline canvas that we've seen here, and the submit button. Okay, so the UI part is what I've done in these three component architecture, like theme toggle and this thing, like pipeline canvas. So we'll see what exactly I have built using the AI tool interaction. So yeah, if I put and drag the input element here, so it is going to give me a node. And if I drag another one, which is your output node, then we can connect these node using the connection of pipe. Okay, so this is happening just because of the React Flow library, and we can create as many nodes as we can. So I've created the 5 extra node in this project mini project so far. So yeah, I've built this, and we can connect this one. And if I type something on it, I can type that and store inside a particular state variable, which is your state of React, Shubham Rawat, and then come up with the output node of Shubham Rawat as well. So I can type that as well. And if I click on the submit button, then this is going to trigger a API, and this API will give me a response in return. So I'm going to trigger or open a console log here, and this console log will uh, let me see the network call inside a network section. Okay, so whenever I click on this submit button, yeah, so whenever I click on this submit button, this pass API will get triggered, which is your post API. And inside that API, I'm sending the edges and nodes that I've created so far, and you can see the toast message as well. So yeah, that's what I have implemented in this mini project of pipeline builder. And yes, if you look into the code part, what I have implemented, like the folder structure, then there is a component, there's a context, there's a custom hook directory, and store as well. And there is utils, which holds a submit handler whenever the user is going to submit something. Okay, so and there is an app.js file, which is your main file where all the components reside. Okay, and there is also one thing apart from this front end part, there is back end part. Inside that backend part, we have included a virtual environment, which help me to trigger the server or create a server on the particular port. So if you see, um, I started the server on this particular port, and if I just trigger this one inside our a new tab and slash docs, then this will give me a UI part of a post API. So this means that our backend is fully integrated or connected with the front end part. So yeah, that is also done. And whenever we click on the submit button, we get the response in the React hot toast. This React hot toast is what we call a new library that we included that I included in this project to make it more appealing in nature. So that's about the project overview. Um, uh, Hopefully in the future, if I get time, I will make it more better. So in terms of styling, you can see I've used a traditional method of internal styling using styles of global.css, where I've included the dark and light theme as well, using the root variables. And these root variables I've included inside was CSS selectors. Okay, so yeah, so far I have built this one, and if we click on this part, I can toggle the dark theme as well. So yeah, mm, so yeah, that's about it.